You are welcome to this video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to run Instagram ads in Nigeria or anywhere you are worldwide, any country you are. Now just to bring to your notice, there are two ways by which you can run Instagram ads. The first one is running Instagram ads through the main Instagram app, or you running Instagram ads through the Facebook ads manager. But in this video I am just going to be showing you how to run a profitable Instagram ads from your Instagram application that gives you more followers, okay, profile visits, DMs, or video views. Okay, so if you're new to this video or you are watching me right now, the first thing you want to do is hit that like button, because that is what will encourage me to say, okay, fine, I am going to be creating more content on Instagram advertisement. And subscribe to this channel, okay? Hit that subscribe button, okay? The more I see how you people are reacting to this thing, the more I will be able to create more. We are here for those who have problem paying for Instagram ads, maybe in Nigeria, or you find it hard to, make your payment method work for Instagram ads. You can wait till the end of this video. You can be able to get in touch with me and we're going to solve that problem for you. Or you can check out the link in the description box. After you have watched this video, let me get straight into it without further ado.
So how do we run these Instagram ads that we're talking about? The next thing you want to do right now is you want to click on Play Store, or if you have Apple Store on your phone, you click on it, then you go to the search bar and input Instagram. Once you input Instagram, you need to make sure that you update your Instagram application, okay? Make sure it's up to date. So that is one of the reasons I had to wait for my Instagram application to ask for update before I could make this video, so you can understand everything perfectly. So let's wait for you to download. So let's just wait for you to be installed, and the next thing we are actually going to click on is we're going to click on open. Okay, we are going to open the Instagram application. So let's open it right now. Once you click on open, you're actually going to get to the home page of your Instagram account, and the next thing you want to do right now, I'm going to zoom the screen for you. You're going to check the downward part of your screen, okay, and you're going to see a cycle which carries the profile picture of your Instagram profile DP. Okay, let me just mark it. Always check out the markings on the screen. Okay, you can see it here. I just zoomed it, and the next thing is I'm going to click on it, and once you click on it, you are going to see your profile. Okay, this account is a demo account. Now, first of all, you want to make sure that you have set up your payment method. Do you understand? Now you've done that correctly. Don't worry, I'm going to give you a guide on how to do this. Do you understand? Now I just want to let you know the first thing you need to check. So you're going to click on this place, and you're going to click on settings and privacy. You're going to click on settings and privacy. You're going to click on business tools and control. Once you click on that, you click on add payment. You can see add payment here. You click on add payment. Once you click on add payment, then you can be able to check if you do not have any debt at all. Okay, I'm going to click on it right now, and it's actually going to bring out the dashboard of my balance at this time. Let me just cycle it for you so you can see it. You can see it's no payment due as of this time. So the next thing you want to do is let's go back. So you're in your Instagram profile. The next thing you want to do is you can see some of the posts I've made here. Do you understand? I can easily choose one of them. Let me just guide you from the scratch. You click on this plus button you can see here, okay, which I cycled. You click on it, and once you click on it, you're going to select the picture of the ad. So I have it here. You can scroll down on your screen to check it, and I'm going to click on this arrow button here. So I'm just going to click on this arrow button, okay, the forward button here. So once I do that, the next thing I want to click on, I'm still going to click on that forward button, okay. So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to write a caption, okay. So for this ad picture that I have, I'm just going to type in something here. Let me just pause the video a while. So as you can see, I just typed in something in the caption side which says, are you a business owner running ads on Facebook and Instagram with payment or card rejection issues? Kindly send us a DM using the button below. Okay, so whichever business you are you are trying to promote, or whichever service or product you're trying to promote, just input your caption in a way that could explain to your target audience easily. Do you understand? So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to click on this button you see here, which says add message button. You're going to see it here. Okay, add message button. So once you click on it, then you're going to see something like send message Instagram. This is your Instagram name. Okay, and you're going to click on this mark button here, up here. Okay, so once you click on it, then that is being done. Just going to click on this check mark. So once you do that, you're just going to click on this check mark you see here. Okay, you're going to click on that check mark, and once you do that, then you're going to see something like share post and stories, whatever. Just click on it and your post is being posted. So let's go back to our profile now, and the post is being updated. Let's wait for it. Let's just reload it, and you can see the latest post right here. So the next thing you want to do right now, after you've made your post, is you want to click on the post right now. Okay, so once you click on it, then you're actually going to hit on boost post. Okay, boost post. This is how it's going to show. You can see the send message button we did right here. So hit on that boost post you see now, click on it, and on the next page you are going to see different kind of goals. You are going to see different kind of goals you can use to run your Instagram ads. You're going to see more profile visits. This is good if you want to get more followers into your profile. Do you understand now? That could just potentially visit your profile, and by so doing hit that follow button. And the more website visit is more explanatory. You could just put your website link and get a traffic to your link. But for this more messages, this is one of the best, by which you get people to DM you for the price of what you are selling and how to order. Do you understand? So let's click on next. You're going to click on next. This is next here. So once you do that, the next thing you're going to see is select target audience. Okay, and you're going to see something like special ad category. Don't do anything about this. If your advert is about employment or whatever, you could just select whatever category it belongs to: credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics, whatever. So I'm just going to leave that. And the next thing you want to do is you want to create your audience. You're going to see something like create your audience here. So you're going to click on create your audience. Now in your audience name, just name it something. So I'm just going to name my own as business owner, because I'm a digital marketing consultant. So the next thing you're going to click on, you want to click on the location. So the next thing you want to click on the location, which you see here. So let's click on the location, and once you click on the location, once you get to the location, you are going to see something like regional and local. If you click on this local, this will target people that are in your exact location where you live, where you are right now. You're going to see something like your current location here. Okay, and if you tick it and you click on this check mark button you see here, it will target your current location. Do you understand? People in your vicinity. So for these ads, I'm not going to do that. So we're just going to click on this region now, and I'm going to input Nigeria. Okay, if you're in United States, put in United States. If you're in Nigeria, put in Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, whatever state or country you want to target, you can put it there. So we're just going to click on this check mark here. So click on the check mark, and on the interest, you're going to click on it. This is interest. Okay, so click on the interest, and I'm just going to put an interest here which says business. I'm going to put let me just put entrepreneurship. Okay, I'll just select this entrepreneurship, and also I'm going to select, okay, you can see some interest being suggested to you below. So I'm just going to click on small business, online advertising and marketing, and this is good for now. Do you understand? So I'm just going to click on this check mark button here. So once I do that, then on the age and the gender, you can see it here. Do you understand? I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to adjust this age. If your product or services or your Instagram page is within the age of 18 and above. Do you understand? Like from 18 and above, you can choose it. But for my own, I'm not going to target people who are 18 years old. They are a little bit, some of them are still in school, and they might not really have that money to pay for that stuff. So I'm going to choose 25, at least 25 to around 55. Do you understand? So I'm going to leave it in male and female. If it's for male, if your product is for male only, tick off the female, and it's for female, tick off the male. Do you understand? And if it's for both, tick on both. Do you understand? And click on this check mark button you see here. Okay, so you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, then the next thing you want to tick off is you want to tick off this targeting expansion, because you don't want your advert to just go beyond the targeting you have selected. Okay, tick it off, and your audience is going to change. And the next thing you want to do is click on this check mark button here. So once you click on that, you wait for it to load, and it's actually going to get you to this page you see right here. Next thing you want to click on is this next button you see here. So you're going to click on that next button, and you're going to get to the budget and duration side. Okay, now on the budget, you can choose to adjust it to any amount you want to spend per day, and adjust it. If your own is in dollar, just try to adjust it, do you understand, to the amount you want to spend per day. So for this one, I'm just going to adjust it to like around 5,000 naira. Do you understand now? Okay, you can use any amount you want. Okay, so I'm just using this as an example. So for the duration, I could just set it for 6 days, or 2 days, or 7 days, or 10 days, or 15 days, 30 days, whatever. And if you don't want to set the duration, a stopping date for you could just click on run this ad until I pause it. Do you understand? So that is that. Then you're going to click on next. So on the next page, you're actually going to see the review of the advert you have just set. Okay, you're going to see everything, and the next thing you want to click on is boost post. Okay, you're going to click on boost post, and voila, your advert has been submitted. You can see, nice work, your ad has been sent for review. Most ads are reviewed within 24 hours, although in some cases it may take longer. Okay, that is that. And how do you know if your advert is being approved? Let me just show you. You're going to click on your profile cycle below your screen here. Once you do that, then you're actually going to click on professional dashboard. Okay, you're going to see something, professional dashboard. You're going to click on it, and once you click on it, the next thing you want to do is you're going to click on add tools. Okay, you're going to see add tools here. You're going to click on add tools. Once you click on add tools, and you are actually going to click on manage. Okay, you are even going to see it below here. Okay, you're going to see the advert you just created. Look at the one we just created right now. It's in review. Okay, you can see it right here in review. Let me zoom it for you, in review. So that is how to create your Instagram ads on phone. Now, for those who are having problem in paying for their Instagram ads, I'm going to leave a link to a video below this video, like a link in the description box, that will lead you to the YouTube video I've created about this, or you can chat this number on the screen, and I'm going to solve it for you on WhatsApp.
So this is how to run a profitable Instagram ads from your Instagram application, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you gain a lot of things from this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and see you on the next episode. My name is Ayatollah, and stay healthy.